Morning, 10/27, May 23rd, 2018, EIA in a couple minutes here. I'm looking for a short, actually. I was hoping price would get a little higher up into the top of that quad. So that would have been, well, here's the top of the channel. So at least into 72.28 I was hoping for. 72.27, but preferably right up into here, especially with this resistance, that gray line there. So we'll see how it goes here. That's what I'm looking for. If positive data comes out and it gets Momo above that gray there into the channel up top here, then that's a totally different story. Then that becomes a long into this target, 73.55 area. So that would even be a better trade, but I don't expect to see that. We'll see though. Trader bias kills you, so wait and see. Usually in the first 5 minutes I don't trade, but depending on today's report, I just might hit a trade right away. So I haven't got a lot more to say than that. We'll just see how it goes here. Well, that was aggressive. Wow. Right into the target. So now, oh, that got hit pretty hard there. Last night I was going to short up in here and didn't. There was my shoulda, coulda, woulda right there. That touch. Would have been a nice short here. Anyway, so you're probably going to see pressure down into here. 71.23 to 70.98. Dang it. Just like earlier in the week, Sunday night, I was going to take the long at this first touch on the channel wall here. It seems like the first touch to a channel wall Sunday night and the last touch to a channel wall before the report on Wednesday are really important. Those two channel wall touches, those are really the two best trades of the week. Anyway, it's right into the target here. Let's see how this plays out. Should get a little more pressure here yet. If I was being aggressive and a little reckless, I'd be short here all the way through, but my conspiracy theory is that the central banks are in propping. That's my tinfoil hat only. Mind you, we did have anomalies in this move early on. that seemed to reflect some kind of manipulation. I mean, I'm talking early in this wide uptrending move when oil turned. Definitely continued pressure here. Just over a minute left on the first 5-minute candle. Yeah. Heavy pressure here. I'll definitely take long at the channel bottom if it gets there. So first minute candle's done here. Our first 5 minutes, sorry. Just loading up this 1 minute chart here. Definitely some covering at minimum there. So oil got down into a cluster of fibs and not down to the bottom of the channel. When it's held that cluster of fibs, there's going to be a pivot here, pardon me, right in there, but it's not very strong. Got right into this cluster here. There's historical support in here too, these purple lines. These are fibs just above. So it may take some time for it to play out in here. Timing is tonight. Yeah. And futures open tonight. Right in this pocket in here. Not necessarily going to happen in there, but seems to me that's where the bounce is going to be. Should be a bounce in here. So that area starts around 6 o'clock tonight. There's going to be resistance at this the midline on the down channel. So any pops that you get up into that area, be careful, especially as you get into 7159, 7160. That's going to be a tough area to get through intraday. Right here, you're going to find a heavy pivot. So hopefully we can get down in that 7083 area for futures tonight. So you may see as covering takes place, you may see something like this. And then it sit up here in the basket at the end of the week. Something like that should transpire. We shall see. So I think I'll leave it at that and call that, pardon me, the report, because even if it gets some momentum here, it's got upside serious resistance, and I'm going to wait for a channel bounce. If the channel bounce happens earlier than I think it will, then great. I'm going to go and I'll alert it. And that's it. I'll be on midday review today.